Hey YouTube, Steven the Salon Guy here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a haircut tutorial on this mannequin. I'm going to be doing a modern kind of like a pixie shag haircut, and it's going to be making over this mannequin. I just wanted you to see what it looks like before. You see we got some fringe going on, so I have to incorporate the haircut into this, but I want to really make it like almost like an old school shag with a lot of layers, but something really modern and fun. So I'm ready to go. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is spray in my 25 spray, and this is a phenomenal pre-cutting spray. You spray on like maybe 4 or 5 spritzes, and you literally just comb right through the hair. This stuff is like a miracle worker. It's unbelievable, and especially for knots too, so it's a great spray. What I'm going to do, and what I always suggest, is to map out your haircut prior to you actually cutting it, so comb it into the shape. That's really essential, is that you comb it, like a roadmap of how you're gonna get there, how are we gonna execute this haircut. Relatively short, but we are gonna leave a little bit of length to create kind of like some areas to flip out, a lot of layers, and we're gonna completely transform this whole shape. And I'm really excited to do it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start in the back, and that's what I wanna do for this particular haircut, is start right in the nape area, right down to here. And what that is going to do, it's going to allow me to actually kind of determine where I'm gonna bring this length into the back and also the sides and with the layers. And what I like to do is I like to just kind of put my comb in right here and then cut straight across. And I'm not really, you're actually saving yourself a whole bunch of time by doing this, because you can just go in and do it freehand, and usually freehanding comes out the best. you get the straightest lines when you do freehand this way. I see my vision, I see my haircut map, and I'm just gonna like, you know what, I see what I wanna do, don't waste any time and cut it. And this is where the magic happens. If you create a really good base shape right from the start, you could actually, that could be the haircut. Look at this. See, I created my angle, my shape. There's a whole haircut right there. You can do the same thing on the other side, and there, you're good to go. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to angle my fingers upwards this way. And again, there's my roadmap of, it's all visual at this point. It's all basically based off of my own senses of where I want everything to kind of live. And we're gonna come towards the face this way. Move this right here. Now we're gonna cut the fringe area just a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna finish this up right here. We're gonna dry it, and then we're gonna come back and do some dry cutting. All right guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my thinning shears right into here, and I'm just gonna really break up this texture. I wouldn't suggest doing this on curly hair, to be honest with you, or like super wavy or really fine hair. This is definitely intended for someone who's got like a lot of hair, okay? Because you want to be able to really, as you can see, create a lot of movement and texture and soften that all up. Yeah, this is great. This is phenomenal. This is a really fun haircut. As you can see here, I've put no product in except for the 25, which is from before. But I think this looks really good. If you guys followed along, you should have a very similar result, but this is definitely guaranteed to be a fantastic haircut for your client. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications by clicking the bell so you get to know when all my videos are released every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays when I'm posting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.